Hey, Mark Rice here. I hope you're ready, because today we will have a real battle here. So we are going to fight. Okay, first I will modify environment a bit. After that you can accept a real battle. So if you love the flat design game, stay until the end. It will be the epic fight here. It's incredible how creative you are. I got so many great ideas in the comments down below, and I think that we should do this more often. Okay, I added one more layer of the buildings. In that way I achieve a deep of the fill. The game looks richer with a new row of buildings. Comment from the morning, maybe create some platforms for the character to jump on and move around. Okay, deal. In the previous part I promised to draw a small shop with skateboards. It will be the perfect place for the hero. This is the place where the character can jump on. As I said before, everything except the characters and effects will be black and white. So this shop will be painted in the same way. In next part of the game design, I plan to add small details. We need something that the hero can pick up, such as life, energy, poison and stuff like that, but something unique. So if you have an idea, drop the comments down below. And your idea will be in the next part of the game design. Our small skateboard shop need ad, so I will put a text here. This is a common game, so gigantic community is the right text for the shop ad. Now the hero is on the top of the shop. I'm trying to find a good position for everything here. I think that can be easy to create background from just colors like this, but it's not. Everything must be recognizable with just 4 or 5 shades. I don't want to use 50 shades of grey here. 50 shades of grey with a big ugly boss? No thank you. Cloud Gaming asked for the sunrise. If I create the sunrise, colors will be different than now. I want to keep these colors for the background. So Cloud Gaming, I have the moon for you. This is your moon now, just for you. Yeah. Okay, one more comment from Film Zone. I think maybe you can make a UFO spaceship. Good idea. It will be perfect for the background. So I decided to draw the spaceship. The UFO releases green light. With the help of that, creatures come to the ground. So in this game, the green represents the alien power. If they eat the green power, they become bigger. With the green power, the weapons are stronger, so the green color is cool this day. Okay, I have a few more great comments here, so I'll try to make a combination of all together. Osama's comment: what about a friend of our hero to help him fighting? Miller's mind is reply to Osama, maybe like a drone that pops out of his backpack. I have more cool comments here. Anas Hada Games: draw a helicopter that shoots on the boss. Anthony Spark, space suit. Okay people, here is the deal. The number of creatures is rising rapidly, so we need backup. The hero is got the space suit. The suit has a shield, so now it's much stronger. And one of his friends appeared, with a powerful gun and big green flame. The defense is getting better, so the humans have powerful drones now. Now I'm working on his friend. Hoodie Boy from the hood. It's small but with a big heart. He looks friendly, but his gun is deadly for the enemy. This can be cool for multiplayer. A few different characters with different gadgets and suits and stuff like that. The thing is getting serious here. Helicopters are not needed. Drone is faster and is not an easy target. Yeah, I miss the blue color in the game, so I will use it for the drone. The colors of the game will be richer. After the drone, I will draw a flames and war between the enemies and heroes. But you know what? It will be much better if I skip the speed drawing and show it to you right now. Are you ready? Okay, creative people, I hope that you like our work. So drop the comments down below for the next part and stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. Peace.